Ever notice the girl you like acting just a bit different around you? She might be screaming, "I like you," without saying a single word. Because the truth is, most women show attraction long before they ever admit it out loud. And in this video, we're decoding the entire female attraction code. These signs aren't random. Each gesture, each glance, each accidental touch is a silent signal revealing how she really feels about you. Here's the reality. 93% of communication is non-verbal, and women are masters of subtle, unspoken signals, the kind you might miss if you don't know what to look for. But once you learn to spot them, you'll never have to wonder, does she like me again? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden signals women give off when they're into you. Signal number 1, the hair-touching ritual. You know the move. She twirls her hair, tucks it behind her ear, or smooths it down while talking to you. It's not a coincidence. When a girl is attracted to someone, she often touches her hair unconsciously. Why? Because her body is doing two things at once. 1. Trying to look perfect in front of the person she likes. 2. Releasing nervous energy caused by that very attraction. It's especially noticeable when you first arrive or when your eyes meet. The more often she does it, the more excited and a bit nervous she is around you. And this signal often comes with other cues: lip biting, leaning in, or holding your gaze longer than usual. So what does each type of hair touch mean? Quick fix gives she knows you're watching. Repeated touch gives you make her nervous in a good way. Playing with the ends while watching you gives strong attraction. Why does this matter? Because hair touching is one of the most ancient signs of flirtation in nature. A woman's healthy hair subconsciously signals vitality and fertility. She's not actively thinking this, but her biological programming is quietly influencing her behavior. Want proof? Compliment her hair. If she immediately touches it again, or plays with it even more, that's a big green light that the attraction is mutual. Just remember, this is not the same as regular hair fixing. When she likes you, the gesture is more frequent, more intentional, and usually comes with other body language signs. In these moments, her hair becomes a tool in her unconscious flirting ritual. Signal number 2, she bites her lower lip. That small, almost shy bite of the lower lip, it's one of the clearest unconscious signs of interest. This subtle move shows she's feeling a mix of nerves and excitement around you. And studies show people tend to do this more often when near someone they're secretly into. This subtle move happens because your presence makes her feel a surge of mixed emotions. Nervousness, excitement, and attraction all rolled into one. She likely doesn't even realize she's doing it. You'll notice this happen most often when your eyes suddenly meet. You sit or stand close to her. There's a brief pause in the conversation. Translation: she's attracted to you, but trying to play it cool. The problem is, her body can't lie. That gentle lip bite, it's her subconscious coping mechanism for the butterflies you give her. And this isn't just any lip bite. When it's attraction-driven, it's softer, subtler, quicker, often followed by a glance away or, yes, hair-touching. It's not something she does with just anyone. If you catch this signal, watch for other signs: eye contact, playful touches, laughing at your jokes. When these combine, it's a strong, almost undeniable indication of genuine attraction. And here's the key: this reaction is authentic. It's hard to fake. When someone likes you, their body often gives it away before their words do. If it happens regularly when you're around, chances are she really does like you. Signal number 3, the uncontrollable smile and laugh effect. You'll know a girl's truly into you when she physically can't hold back her smiles and laughter around you. It's not a polite grin. It's not forced. It's the kind of genuine, glowing expression that lights up her whole face, especially when you walk in or say something. Why is this so powerful? Because these smiles come naturally and frequently. She laughs at things that aren't even that funny. Even her eyes smile, real Duchenne smiles that reach the corners. She chuckles at your jokes, even the bad ones, especially the bad ones. The science behind it: when we're attracted to someone, our brain releases dopamine and serotonin, natural chemicals that elevate our mood. This literally makes her feel happier around you. And those smiles there, The evidence, key things to observe. 1. Delayed smiles when she looks away, but her smile lingers. 2. Covering her mouth while laughing. She's trying and failing to hide how much fun she's having. 3. Smile echoes even. After the conversation ends, her smile stays. This goes far beyond friendliness. These are reflexive, involuntary expressions of someone who's genuinely into you. Sign number 4. She finds every excuse to touch you. Think those light touches are just friendly? Think again. When a girl's into you, she'll take every chance to create physical contact, even if it's brief or subtle. A brush of the hand when reaching for something, a playful nudge when you joke, a soft touch on the arm during conversation. These aren't accidents. Science confirms that touch boosts emotional connection. So if she's making an effort to touch you, even casually, that's a strong, clear sign of attraction. Sign number 5. She mirrors your body language and style. This one is subtle and often overlooked. Watch her closely. If you cross your legs, does she do the same? If you lean forward, does she match your movement? Even more, she might start to adopt your fashion sense. You're into dark clothes, suddenly she's dressing in black. You move fast, she starts matching your pace. This is called unconscious mirroring, and it's a real psychological phenomenon. Her mind is sensing with yours. Her body is catching your vibe. That's not coincidence, that's chemistry. Sign number 6, she puts extra effort into her appearance. When a woman likes someone, she'll go the extra mile to be noticed. She might wear clothes she wouldn't normally choose, form-fitting or stylish pieces. Style her hair with extra care, or even change the color. Try bold lipstick or eye-catching nails. Why? Because she wants you to notice. But here's a tip, even if you're into her, don't give her too much attention right away. A little mystery keeps things exciting and keeps her invested. Sign number 7. She adjusts her outfit around you. It may look small, straightening her blouse, fixing her jeans, adjusting her accessories, but it speaks volumes. This is her subconscious reaction to wanting to look her best for you. And it usually happens the moment you show up. She becomes hyper-aware of how she looks because your opinion matters. Think of it as a silent compliment. I care how you see me. Sign number 8. She asks you personal questions. Women don't dig deeper unless they're interested. If she goes beyond small talk and starts asking where you live, what you're passionate about, what your relationship status is, she's doing to things, showing interest and scouting for compatibility. This is no casual chat. This is emotional investment. Pro tip, keep a little mystery. Want to keep her interested? Don't reveal everything at once. If she asks personal questions, deflect playfully or steer the conversation back to her. Let her chase the answers. That intrigue will only make her want you more. Sign number 9. She holds intense eye contact. Eyes never lie. Most people glance away quickly, but when a girl locks eyes with you and holds it longer than usual, it's a clear, powerful sign of attraction. This isn't just politeness. It's her subconscious craving for connection. Her eyes are silently inviting you in, sensing with your energy and testing your confidence. Pro tip, hold her gaze, or for extra subtle intensity, look just above her eyes, like at her forehead. It adds tension without feeling overbearing. Sign number 10. She leans in when talking to you. This is a small but meaningful gesture. When a girl slightly leans forward while you're speaking, it means she's engaged physically and emotionally. Even if it's just a subtle tilt, it's a micro-expression that reveals she wants to be closer. It may not look like much, but subconsciously, she's closing the distance. Sign number 11. She blushes around you. Few things are more sincere or adorable than a sudden blush. It might happen the moment she sees you or when your eyes meet, especially if you cross paths often, like at work or in social settings. Watch those first few seconds. That rosy tint on her cheeks. It's her body's involuntary confession she's into you. Sign number 12. She finds reasons to be near you. When a girl likes you, she'll gravitate toward your space, sitting beside you by chance, hanging nearby in a group, needing something from the exact area you're in. She might even rearrange her schedule to bump into you. It's not coincidence, it's intentional proximity. Why does it matter? Because physical closeness is a primal signal of attraction. If she consistently chooses to be near you, even when other options are open, she's likely hoping you'll notice and respond. And all this without saying a single word. But next, we move beyond body language to the hidden signals in her voice. What she says, how she says it, even how she laughs. Get ready. The next signs are just as powerful and even harder to fake. Sign number 13, she laughs at your jokes. Even the terrible ones. You tell a joke, it's not great, maybe even awkward, and yet she laughs. Not just a polite smile, a genuine laugh, sometimes louder than expected. Sound familiar? That's a clear sign she's into you. When a girl likes someone, she finds them more amusing than they actually are. Your dry puns, hilarious. Your clumsy humor, endearing. And no, it's not just being nice. There's science behind it. Here's why. Attraction triggers the brain to release dopamine, a feel-good chemical that makes her feel better just by engaging with you. So even if your joke flops with others, she enjoys it because it came from you. Pay attention to how she laughs. Genuine, eye-crinkling laugh. She's genuinely amused. Higher-pitched giggle. She's nervous, but into you. Laugh followed by teasing. She's flirting. Bonus sign. She remembers your jokes and brings them up later in conversation. That's solid proof she's been thinking about you. Final tip. Don't rely on just one signal. Might be coincidence, but 2 or 3 repeating behaviors, that's a pattern. Wait for consistency. Once signs start to align, you'll know her interest is real, and you'll feel more confident taking the next step. These signals may be subtle, but they're powerful. If this video helped you decode her non-verbal cues, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and drop your own story in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Thanks for staying until the end. See you in the next video, where we'll keep uncovering the hidden signals of connection, chemistry, and attraction.